Hello guys, Mehul here back again with another new video, and I think camera is not in the right position. Yeah, now it is in the right position. So today I'm gonna be talking about something really specific because as you guys know, I use Tailwind a lot and I love to use Tailwind. And recently I was starting out React, starting out feeling around with React. So that's why I needed something for bundling all of those, like about bundlers, I think, like Webpack, Gulp, Parcel. Those all of those are bundlers. Now in terms of bundler, I prefer using Parcel. Like, I know it's also new to me, but I choose go with Parcel. Okay, so that's why I started searching for tutorials, obviously, how to get started and all. And I found a really great templates, you may call it, like really great templates that have everything configured in it already. You just have to run yarn install, yeah, or yarn add or npm install, just that. That's it, and it will install all the dependencies for you. And obviously you have to download that from git or from anywhere else. That I will just show you right now. So let me show you, and let get straight to the point. Okay, so this is our first repository. Obviously, I will give all of the links of the repository in the description. So this is our first repository. It says Tailwind CSS Parcel Starter, no React. Okay, for basic HTML and all, and it is so easy to use because obviously one great thing it have, that is one click deploy to Netlify built in. That is one thing, and another thing, that is it is bare minimum. This doesn't include a lots of tons of files or extensions. You don't have to where while you are building, you don't have to take care of all of the links, like there are no complex links, anchor links gonna generate in your html or css file. Not css file, because css will be handled by Tailwind. Because, and yeah, that's about it about this template. So fairly easy enough, easy to use. Download it and start it, that's it, nothing else. Okay, and here are some of the comments that you have to run before uh, working with it. Now let me show you the second Tailwind Parcel template. That is, it is built on Tailwind version 2 and Parcel. And this has an interesting thing, that is, in the asset section, I have no in the, not in the asset section, in the source section, you can see index, partials, and assets. And it has actually partials, like it is using this include keyword to include the partial. Like you can see it here, partial slash header.html. So that is one cool thing that I have found out about it, and I loved it. Okay, but this is a more complex project structure, because it have a lots of feature. As you can see, it has css just to render that Tailwind css out, fonts, other separate font folders, image folder, and js folder as well. And in css they are using pcss, post css, I think. So that these are something that you have to keep in mind uh, before using it. Okay, so this is about this second Tailwind Parcel template. And what I have shown you, two types of template, because first one is bare minimum and simple. You can get started with it just in 2 clicks or something like that, because it doesn't require a lot of what customization and all. But in the second project, if you want to build something like bigger, and you're gonna need a complex project structure, and obviously it is completely supporting the whole project structure, then you're gonna need it all, need all of those. Okay, so here is a thing. And another thing that I should mention, that is, I think, package.void. Yes, it has used, like, the second template has used lots of dependencies, so you should keep those in mind, that it has a lots of dependencies. You can see here post css, parcel, clean, like, in the script section also they have tons of scripts. So something you should keep in mind. So that's it about this second portion, it's not second portion, second template. Now the third template, which is, what is our third template? Third template is basically not any github file, but it is directly built in this platform, that is code sandbox. And you can see the file structure here, really great. Okay, like, you can start building in it. Obviously you can start building in it, and you can see the dependencies here. Okay, you can obviously start building here, but if you don't want to build here, obviously you can just download it. So how will you download it? That is, wait, no, not here. Not from here, surgery. So okay, here you can see where that is. Yes, here you can see file, and just click on save, or not save, not save, just click on export to zip. It will obviously download a zip file for you, and that's it. You can like, bring it in your uh, what, VS Code, because obviously everyone use VS Code, right? Bring it in your code editor and start editing that from that. So those are the three of those files, like, parcel, not parcel, those are the three parcel plugins, not plugins. What I am doing today? Those are the three parcel templates to get started with Tailwind. Yes, get started with Tailwind and React as well. So two for simple Tailwind and one for React with Tailwind. So that's it about this video. I know it was too much specific, but I thought it would be great sharing those informations, because yes, often we search all of them, or if we can find a ready-made template, it will, like, keep, like, what, it will reduce the work we have to do before building anything. So why not, right? So that's it for this video. If you like my contents in general, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you know about some of the great resources like this, maybe that can be specific like this, or some of the great tools, web apps, websites, open sources, anything, please let me know about all of them in the comment section, so I can feature them in my future videos. Bye.